Hi guys, it's Trendon.
And Theana.
Welcome back to the second episode of Cooking with the Amuzies, where we just, find a random recipe that we think that you guys would like, that we would like, and hopefully it tastes good. We'll show you how to make it, the ingredients you need, and step by step on how to make just a good quick meal. So we're going to show you how to turn this into this. So, what you guys will need for this recipe is 1 tablespoon of flavored olive oil or coconut oil. We like to use coconut oil. 1 medium onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1.5 pounds of skinless chicken thighs, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, chili paste, 3 cups of bite-sized broccoli flowerets, and rice. Any kind of rice will do. So it's pretty simple. So the first things first, what you need to do for this is broccoli, chicken, stir fry. You need to chop up all your vegetables. Chop up your onions, mince your garlic, chop up your chicken. And obviously doing that with 2 kids is kind of hard, and one's screaming, one's running around, getting into things. Mama's trying to make a fruit salad that's not even on scene. But you know what? You got to do what you got to do. So you chop up your vegetables and you put your onion and your garlic in the oil, heat it up in the pan, and you let that brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the next thing you gotta do, once your onion and garlic is slightly brown, is you add your chicken. Yeah, so this looks like a lot of chicken, but we always make 2 servings because we like leftovers. A lot of people don't like leftovers, but the Amuzie family does. So hey, teach them. And we have guests, surprise guests, who will be the judges of this meal. We've never made it before. I've never made it before, so hopefully it turns out good. Oh, you also want to add your cornstarch right now. We don't measure much around here. We just told you the ingredients, just cause, but we really just eyeball it, My eyeball game is on fleek. Hi, Avia. Now, while your chicken is cooking, you want to take your soy sauce, your honey, and your chili sauce, right? Yeah. I don't ever use chili sauce, and you mix them together. I always go a little extra heavy on the honey. Well, I like me some honey. Make sure you stir your chicken. You want it to start sticking to the pot just a little bit, to get that little bit of browning type feeling to your chicken. But once your chicken is cooking and it's starting to brown just a little bit, you're going to add your sauce. This is the most important part, adding the sauce. Oh yeah. Stir that up. Bear with me, guys. We're almost done. We're gonna add the broccoli next. All you gotta do is open the broccoli. We were kind of lazy, didn't want to chop up all the broccoli, buy the regular, and having to chop it all up. Get the regular flowerets. You can't beat it. But you're gonna put this on top of your sauce and your meat that's cooking. Don't worry, pre-washed. Now you're gonna let it just cover it and let it sit for about 2 minutes. All right, now that you got it cooked for 2 minutes, you want to take the top off and you want to stir it all up. It's starting to look good, isn't it?
Smelling good.
Then when your husband forgets to buy rice at the store.
He has to get some from our neighbor. Thanks, Marion.
Where is she? She's not outside. Thank you, Marion. We love you.
Now you make your rice. When the food is almost done, you start making your rice and it'll all come together. Don't forget the rice at the store, though. Because then you have to go and get it from a neighbor.
Why you out of breath?
I'm tired.
Oh, yeah. Great. Our guests are here. What's your first impressions on how it looks?
It looks great. It looks good.
I think it looks good. It smells good, I think.
We shall see.
Here we go.
All right, guys. What do you think? Go. What do you think?
2 thumbs up. It was good.
It was good?
It was good.
What do you think, Trevor?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Honest, be honest.
It was good.
Well,
I'll give it a good 10 out of 10. Right?
10 out of 10.
Nice.
Kiki, what do you think?
It's fire.
It's fire. Hey, Penelope, did you like it?
No.
Was it good?
Yep.
There you have it, guys.
You got